Hi guys, Aris, Hardcore Busters International. I have done a video about heat pumps in Greek and some of you asked us for an English version, so I couldn't say no to that. Well, this is a heat pump. Now, for those of you that don't know what a heat pump does, basically think it of a central air conditioner climate system. It can provide both heat and cold. Although it is called heat pump, yes, it can also provide cold. Nonetheless, for a heat pump to also provide cold into your home, you have to have the proper infrastructure. The problem is that most of us don't want to change the radiators that we use for heat. For cold, you need some special radiators. They are called fan coil, something like that. Anyway, in our home, we had a standard oil boiler and we just installed an additional heat pump. The oil boiler can work in parallel with the heat pump. So basically, the heat pump only delivers heat in my home at least. So, the $1,000,000 question, how much does it cost? A heat pump. This is a Midea 16 kilowatt heat pump. This goes for around 5,000 euros with everything that it needs to be installed. 5,000 euros without the installation fee. The installation fee now varies, of course, depending on the guys that you will hire to do the job. It consumes in peak, in maximum, 6,200 watt. It can provide 15.9 kilowatt of heat and 14.9 kilowatt of cold, if you also have the proper radiators for cold that it is. So, I have this installed for 3 months. Come on, Eric. Here is the dedicated electrical panel, and I have installed an energy, a power monitor, and in 3 months, 108 kilowatt hours. Let me tell you about the conditions. First of all, we have a new outer insulation cell in our home, about 10 centimeters thick. All the frames, they are aluminum frames, they are new with thermal brakes. They are very new. We just installed all of them. So the home is a modern home. It doesn't have losses, heat losses. This is a very good thing. Also, I work the heat pump with a 50 degrees Celsius water temperature, and we have some smart thermostats by NetAtmo, so we're able to configure the temperature, to set the temperature in our home which is not steady. For example, for some hours during the day we have 20 degrees internal temperature. During the night there's no need for 20 degrees Celsius, and this means that the heat pump works less. Also, another good thing of the heat pump is that it provides hot water 24/7. Yes, we have hot water all day and night thanks to the heat pump. So, these are the conditions. I think that we use it conservatively. We don't abuse the heat pump. We have installed a solar system in our roof, but it is not activated yet because the local Greek authority on solar systems is dead slow. You have to have lots of patience to deal with these guys. Once the solar system is activated, I will have no problem to heavily abuse the heat pump. There will be no problem with huge electricity bills and stuff like this. If you install the proper coil fan devices into your home, you can also have cold. In comparison to traditional air conditioning systems, a central heat pump consumes less it is much more efficient. It is 16 kilowatt, while one of our air conditioning systems in my home, we have 5 or 6 of them, is 18 kilowatt. So do the math. You will see that a central heat pump is way better than having 5 or 6 air conditioning systems in your home for cold, for summer period. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section. If you want more videos like this, we are very deep into technical stuff like this. We love this stuff, so we can do more videos about this in our English channel. Besides hardware parts, computer stuff, you know, stuff like this, we can also expand and offer you more knowledge on everyday stuff like this. We have a Discord server if you want to join us there. We have a very good company, believe me. And the Patreon page if you want to support us. Until the next video, bye bye.